Hey, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Mill Hustles, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about something a little different on the Magic Tech Review channel. Today we're going to be talking about Walmart Plus and why you should give it a try. Now, I use Walmart Plus myself, and I definitely recommend it 100% because it is super convenient, especially if you live a busy lifestyle where you're hardly ever home or hardly have time to run errands, or you're just too tired to do it when you're on your day off. This is where Walmart Plus comes in. See, so they do offer things like free shipping, no order minimum. So if you order something that's $2, you only pay whatever the price of the item is, and you don't pay, you know how Amazon and Walmart have that minimum shipping requirement to get free shipping? Well, with Walmart Plus, you don't have to do that. You can order as minimum as possible with no shipping price. And then we got the free delivery from your store. Now this is the best part of Walmart Plus so far. As you know, Amazon does offer, at-home delivery if you live close enough to an Amazon distribution center or Amazon-owned grocery store like Whole Foods or Amazon Go or Amazon Fresh or whatever it's called. So Walmart is literally in every city. And sometimes some cities, depending on size, will have 3 to 6 of them at once. And that's a lot of trouble for Amazon because, there's a lot more Walmarts than there is Amazons. I'm just going to scroll up and down as I show you the benefits of it. And let me get back to that. I get delivery from them. Now you can pay $10 to get your stuff delivered within 2 hours, or wait a couple of hours and get your stuff delivered at no extra charge when you're a Walmart Plus member. Now here's another good benefit: member prices on fuel. There's different prices, and what happens is you get a code sent to your phone or on the app, and you enter it at the pump when you go to a Murphy's gas station. And honestly, these days, how gas prices are, every penny counts. Let's see what this says here. So you can save up to 10 cents per gallon at over 14,000 stations nationwide. Yep, as it says there, fuel discount varies by location and station. So that's cool. I definitely use that. I mean, it does. My vehicle doesn't really use a lot of gas. I have an old Toyota. Toyotas are my favorite vehicles, especially the ones from the early 2000s and older. But yeah, let's go back. I'm just kind of jumping back and forth. Okay, so yep, free same-day delivery, and it's the same prices as in store. You can also tip your driver. I encourage tipping. It says free same-day delivery, but like I mentioned earlier, you pay $10 and you can get your stuff within 2 hours. Another benefit, I don't see it here. Let me see if I can go back any farther. Is the Spotify. If you're a big music listener like I am, they'll give you 6 months of Spotify. They also have this thing called mobile scan and go, where you can literally load your cart and scan your items as you go. Now, the only caveat is you still have to go to a self-checkout and scan your QR code, so it almost makes it pointless. Honestly, there should be a register or a person dedicated just to scan and go, because it's like, what's the point of it if you still have to stop at a register, Not everybody's a crook. They should really work on this mobile scan and go or eliminate it. Try to make it how Amazon has it, where at some stores you can literally walk in with the app open, grab your items, and it charges you as it put it in your cart, and it also refunds you as you remove items. And then as you approach the door, it rings you up, and then that's it, you can go. So that definitely needs a lot of work. Mobile scan and go, that is. Everything else is really cool. So yeah, I don't see the Spotify offer. I don't really use Spotify myself. I'm a big Tidal music fan. I've been using it for years. I just like the interface and the convenience. A lot of the other music programs don't have that. So I'm a Tidal guy, but I may, try this out, because 6 months free is 6 months free, and I apologize, my screen keeps rotating. But what do you think? I think y'all should definitely check out Walmart Plus, give it a shot. especially if you're an Amazon user. If you wanted to get stuff delivered like food or items or things like that, there's a lot more Walmarts than there is Amazon, and in my opinion, this is going to be a lot of trouble for Amazon. And that's good, because Amazon customer service hasn't been the best these days, and their deliveries are not as reliable, which is kind of understandable because more people order online these days than ever before. So we'll see, guys. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment, share. Let your people know about this. Tell them to subscribe to the Magic Tech Review family. And peace.